guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have my June BOXYCHARM. Okay, so first things first, this amazing Tarte palette. This is the Tarteist Pro Glow, and it opens up like this, which I think is fun and fancy, and has two side mirrors. And then you have some blushes and some highlighters and some bronzers or contour. This one is matte, at least I think it's matte, it looks matte to me. This one is definitely shimmery. This one has more of a pinky tone, this one is more of a true champagne, and then a cooler toned pink and a warmer. And I've been using this for several days and I love it. I love every product in here. I have like all of them on my face right now. They're all just so pretty, so easy to use. The palette is so nice. It's quite heavy, honestly, which, you know, I don't mind. But it is very pretty, and I don't know, I like the double door opening here. Also, this palette is like $45, which I was a little surprised by. I mean, you know, whatever, it's Tarte, and I love it, so okay, happy about that, yay. All right, the next thing in here is from Touch in Soul. This is their No Poreblem, that is how you say that, Prime Essence. So I've had a sample of their primer before, and this one is their Prime Essence, which, you know, I guess is supposed to work the same sort of a way. It does have skincare benefits in it, and it's got this kind of funky tip on it, and then when you actually put it on, it's kind of runny and clear. And you know, it's more like a serum sort of a thing. The texture of it is pretty silicone-y, and I don't like silicone products. I know a lot of people out there do. This one is like a skincare primer with silicone. So it's like all of your bases are covered with this one. I probably won't use it. I will pass this along to a friend, but I don't think it's a bad product. So I kind of like using it on my hands, actually. It makes them really soft. The next thing in here is from Dominique. This is the Lemonade Lip Gloss, and I have the shade Peach Tea. I actually really love this lip gloss. I'm gonna put some more on. So the doe foot applicator has, you know, like flat sides to it. So I am using a lip liner with this just to add a little bit more color, but I used this in a video recently, and I also posted on my Instagram stories because it matched some flowers. And just on its own, it adds a really bit of lovely color. It's not a high pigment lip gloss, which honestly I don't like. So I really, really like this one. It's a very comfortable feel. It feels hydrating, not sticky at all. It almost feels kind of cushiony. And you know, I love the way that it looks. I love the color. I think it's really pretty. I am very happy with this. And it does have a scent to it, but honestly, it's not super strong and it doesn't bother me. It doesn't smell perfumey. It kind of smells like cake batter or something. And then this is from Skin&Co Roma. This is the Whipped Cleansing Cream. So I've only used this once. I used it last night to take off my makeup. So I kind of used it on my dry face with slightly damp hands and massaged it in to break up all of my makeup. And then I just used a cloth to wipe it off with warm water, and it actually works remarkably well. And you know, it's a nice creamy texture, so it feels hydrating. It didn't strip my face. I did use an additional cleanser after using this to remove my makeup, but I don't know. I mean, you know, you do you, boo. Do you feel like you got enough off, or do you feel like you need to wash your face again? I always feel like I need to wash my face again, but I'm probably just obsessive. Anyway, I really liked this and I was happy to have it. I'm always grateful when I get good makeup removers because this is the kind of product that I like to use, and I use a lot of them. And then the last thing in here are some sheet masks, which I honestly have not used yet because I keep forgetting, but they look really fantastic. They're from Haru, which is a Korean company, and they say they are Maquie berry Anti-Oxidant, and it says it is an intensive sheet mask that works to correct pigmentation, boost radiance, and deeply hydrate for brighter, even-toned complexion. Yes, that is all the things that I would like to do to my skin. So I'm really excited about these. Plus, I'm obsessed with sheet masks. I just totally forgot to do it this morning because I was in a bit of a hurry. So anyway, that is my BOXYCHARM. I am really pleased this month. This is the one thing that I probably won't use, but that's because I have weird skin and I will pass it along to somebody. I think it's a good product. Like I said, my hand feels really nice right now. Let's see, which version do I have? One. Ooh. I have number 1. That's kind of interesting. So let me know which ones you guys got, and if you liked your products, what did you think this month? I am super happy with my box. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!